Hey, good morning everyone. It's Alison Merritt of Dreamweaver Designs, and I'm so excited to share this. I normally don't do this, but super excited about this package. This is from RJ Crafts. I was sitting here this morning working on a new tutorial, and I got a notification that this was delivered in my mailbox, and I am going to open it with you. Sharp knife. Don't want to poke what's in there. Rhonda usually packages this stuff pretty good, so I don't really need to worry. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this and should have gotten it Friday, or Saturday, but my post office is stupid. Not my local post office, the post office in town. In Tallahassee. My local post office is great. Love you, Dawn, if you're watching this. Okay, so here we are. Of course, Rhonda always includes candy, which I love. Got some Starbursts. And I saw her with these in a video. Y'all should subscribe to her YouTube channel. She does some excellent tutorials. These little cups are reusable, and the neat thing about them is they have lids to keep the little tub airtight. Now, these are great because you can put glitter in them, you can mix up paints, put paints in them. Rhonda was mixing liquid clay with glitters, and you can also mix liquid clay with pigments, with colors, with mica powders, whatever. And liquid clay, it doesn't really dry up. So when you're done, you'll probably have a little extra. You can just close the lid, and you can even write with a marker on there, what your little mix was. But I could not wait to get my hands on these. She just got them in the shop, and of course I had to order 20 of them, and I know you guys are gonna love these. I'm probably gonna have to order more. I'll probably go through these like instantly. So I am like super duper excited to get all of these. Next, surprise. Oh my goodness. Rhonda has come up with some UV resin that I could not wait to get my hands on. It's Easy Dome UV resin made by RJ Crafts. And this resin, it takes a little longer to cure under your light, but this resin does not come back from the edges, has very low bubbles, which you can, pop the air bubbles with the lighter, and it does not curl your pieces, so you do not have to tape your pieces down. Usually I tape my larger or longer or real thin pieces. I'll have to tape them down because the UV resins I've been using will make the edges curl up. Now granted, you can bend them back, but who wants the hassle? This, you can put your piece right on a tile, put the resin on, spread it to the edges, pop it into your UV lamp for 30 minutes. I know, ladies, 30 minutes might seem like a long time, but hey, it's worth the wait. And I cannot wait to try this. Hopefully I will have a chance today, and I will definitely be using this in future tutorials. So that is brand new on her website. And I also received her brand new silk screens. Oh, look, we have a kitty coming into the picture. You want to come over here? Come on, Pumpkin. Pumpkin, come on, come say hi. Come on. Come on, come say hello. You know you want to get into all of my videos. Come here. This is Pumpkin. Pumpkin is my daughter's kitten, and he is just a sweetheart. So he wanted to pop in and say hi. These, I'm super excited because, Pumpkin, you need to move your butt, buddy. These are new Astrology silk screens. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. So you get all 12 signs of the zodiac. Hey, 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 you're knocking my stuff over. What else is new? Oh, Pumpkin wants in the box. Okay, here. Whoop. We'll put you in the box. There. Pumpkin in a box. That's a perfect size for a little pumpkin. So you get all 12 signs of the zodiac, and I'm so super excited. You also get the coordinating cutter to cut these out perfectly. So these are also going to be in a future tutorial. So I just wanted to pop by quickly along with Pumpkin to show you all the wonderful things that I received today in the mail from RJ Crafts. I just love Rhonda. Thank you. And I will be creating and using these items in a future tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.